now, Lauren.
I've never been
You
this
have
close
to wait
fireworks.
like everyone
These are better
else.
than the ones we have over the summer.
Definitely.
But that's
Disneyland was good.
Yeah, those were good too. But we didn't get this good of a view. The Disneyland ones.
Wow. Whoa. Look at these things. They feel like they're going to hit that building.
But you're farther away than the field.
Yeah, you're probably right. This is the closest we've ever been. These are good.
These are really good.
When they fall, if they hit something
These guys look like they're
that
falling
light
and they're
on
going to hit.
fire, then it'll light on fire.
It's going to hit this, yeah, in the dry time, but in the snow, they're just going to melt.
Fizzle out.
Yeah, fizzle out.
Well, don't most of them fizzle out by the time they hit the ground?
Yeah.
When is it done? Never.
You'll hear it. They're going to do like a massive
A
fire.
finale.
Ooh, I like those.
I up to that green red one. That was interesting.
I like that one.
Here it comes. You ready? No. That was a weird one.
That's really
We haven't been here on New Year's Eve, have we?
No.
We're usually here the week before.
Look at that one.
I know, that one's cool.
Oh.
Whoa, that was nice.
How did they make
That's interesting. I haven't seen that where they shoot all over the place here.
Whoa.
This is the finale, right?
No.
No? Pretty nice. I think this might be. Yeah. I think this is.
You think so?
Yeah.
How did they make the fireworks do all the different shapes and stuff?
I think it's how they shape them and how they chemicals they use.
Whoa.
Now, ooh,
That was
that was an interesting one.
Ooh, I like those.
You have to wait like everyone else.
This is pretty good range fireworks.
Uh-huh.
Is it just like a twirly one that was there?
See where they're shooting them.
Yeah, right out there.
Yeah.
It seems pretty close, doesn't it?
I wonder how close it is. Do you think it's
These are gorgeous.
Yeah, I think they're probably shooting it off, I don't know, in the snow.
These are really nice
What's
fireworks.
Spanish like in our building?
Oh, that one was cool. Did you see that one?
all the different ones.
Okay, now the finale's gonna go. One, no. Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
I like those.
You do? Yeah.
Never seen fireworks so close like this.
Me either. These are the
I
nicest
have-
fireworks I've seen up close.
Yeah, these are really neat. I saw fireworks on New Year's Eve at Atlanta.
Okay.
Yeah?
I think
Through
this
my
might be it.
bedroom.
Oh, through your bedroom? Cool.
Window.
Like very close.
That is crazy.
Uh-huh.
When is it gonna be over?
I think this might be it. Sorry.
You want to get it over?
She just wants her dessert.
What did you do?
Boom. This is
You waiting
it.
for Tom?
Wow.
Whoa, look
You don't have enough.
That would be the finale.
Oh, whoa!
Now, do you know the finale?
Holy moly!
God.
Oh my
Oh.
goodness! Wow, look at the sky.
Oh,
Oh, that one is so cool.
look at how white that is.
That is so cool.
You can smell it.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Those
was
are pretty
big.
amazing. I have to say. I'm quite impressed.
Yeah,
Those were-
fireworks.